heading up to Niagara Falls for my very first Tesla light show. And honestly, I didn't know what to expect. And I was blown away by how friendly everybody was and how exciting the shows were. And it's hard to describe. It was really exciting. Even if it was downpouring rain, that didn't stop us. So we had lots of fun.
Welcome to
Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls.
Sponsored by Cyberbeatz.
Hi everybody.
The first show was a song that Cyberbeatz created, and it was really exciting. And Cybertruck was dancing his frunk up and down, and we got to test out the light shows that are coordinated, and it was really good beat. You know, everybody was dancing, so we really enjoyed this one. Party, guys! Well, setting up the next song, which is from Miami Vice, it's a Phil Collins song. It started to really pour rain down on us. We're doing the Miami Vice song now. In the air tonight, if you don't remember, but we're big Miami Vice fans, so here we go.
I made this on the road trip up here. Okay. I'm crossing my fingers for it.
How long is it?
It's just maybe 2 to 3 minutes, I think.
We wanted to take some drone shots, but unfortunately, you're not allowed to use drones in Niagara Falls State Park. This is a TLGEN coordinated light show. You can go in the Apple Store and get the TLGEN app, or on the, it's also available for Android on its store. And you can make any kind of music from your Apple playlist or your Android playlist. And it will make the MP3 and your Tesla light show files. And you get free credits right now. I just love that. The tourist bus driver is beeping his approval of the light show when he's driving by. That was cute. The TLGEN app works so superbly, picking up the different instruments, vocals, and other items inside the song. It's tuned to use the different lights on the different Tesla models. I just really blew me away about that. So it looks fantastic. I didn't even know some of these lights existed on these models. So the way it's using them is just fantastic.
of like when it all joins together. That's fun.
Awesome.
That's it. Yes.
All right.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it. Thank you, Jason.
Surprises.
That was a surprise. I didn't know if it would work, but you know,
It worked.
we made it. Yeah, thanks, Mom.
Our first official collab. Dude, that was really cool, bro.
We got big things coming.
Oh, yeah. It's all going to roll up to Cyberbeatz.
Wrapping and everybody's leaving. Bye. Yeah, and we even had a bus driver here taking pictures. Bye. Thank you for the show. Thanks for attending it, folks. So thanks for hanging out with me with my first light show, the Tesla light show. So I'm just really excited for the next one. So stay tuned. We're going to be heading up to Michigan for that night show in June.